Hello and welcome to SAP TechEd Live. My name is David Ruiz and I'm going to talk about next generation support for the intelligent enterprise with Bernhard Luecke. Thank you, Bernhard, for joining today with
a pleasure,
okay.
As every time.
Okay. So SAP is living live support. We have seen at TechEd Las Vegas from Andy Koppel and SAP mentor Karin Tillotson about expert chat. But there is also a new service with scheduled calls with an expert. So
Right.
what is this about?
Yeah, we call it Schedule an Expert. It's the other pillar of what we also denominate the real-time support, because it enables you to interact with the support engineer in a live session. The difference between expert chat and Schedule an Expert is that you schedule in advance, like a meeting request in Outlook, this session with the support engineer. You can also compare it to a doctor's appointment, so it's rather for an issue of low or medium priority. It fits very well, especially if you have more than one stakeholder maybe that should join the session, so maybe you need a key user also or an implementation consultant. And then it fits very well that you have a pre-scheduled session in the calendar. And maybe sharing some more experiences with this channel. So we have seen now after thousands, we have around, I think this year, 8,000 of sessions delivered, that it actually really, it's an efficiency gain because the engineer can prepare the session.
Yeah.
We have a lead time of about 48 hours usually. And even often they reach out to the customer to nail down the agenda and fine-tune and prepare better, so that at the end, this 30-minute session, really in like half of the times, it solves the inquiry that was put forward from the customer. And if you look into the like more raw numbers, you see the time it takes if you open a low or medium inquiry with Schedule an Expert with such a session. It takes half of the time of a normal Priority 3 or Priority 4 incident. And this is why we also have a huge customer satisfaction in these cases.
So Schedule an Expert has been around for a while right now. Are there any service innovations around it?
Yeah. So what we have seen is that there is a demand from customers rather to interact also on already open incidents. So it's not about coming with a new inquiry, but you have already an open incident and you want to provide more detail. You have found out that there was a change before and you want to transmit this to the support engineer. Also sometimes there are communication issues. We know this can happen. So what you can do now, you can schedule such a session into the calendar of the support engineer that is working on your incident. I can show you how this works.
Yeah,
so sometimes I might cover the screen here a bit. So actually you go to your open incidents in the Launchpad. This is known, I think, to everyone who has ever dealt with support. And you see here your open incidents. For now it's only working for high incidents, as they are of course more important than the Priority 3 or Priority 4 incidents. So you choose one. And then to schedule such a session, you go here into the edit mode, because you want to schedule a session. And now you see there's a new button here, which is Schedule an Expert.
Yeah, we can see.
So, of course, we need to know a little bit why you want to discuss or what you want to discuss with the engineer in this planned live session. And then you choose Schedule an Expert. So it also gives you a link to further information. So I hope it works now.
Yeah, here, book a session.
Yeah, exactly. So you say book a session. And this, if it works, should lead you to a calendar, actually, which is now apparently not working. So I'm switching to the demo, the safe demo, which is the same here. Let's go fast through it. This is the list of incidents. You edit the incident. You book here the session with the support engineer. And this is where you then actually have the calendar. So this is where you put a meeting request into the agenda of the engineer, and this is extremely powerful for the customer. You choose the time, actually, when it fits into your agenda. You write the text, and this is where it ends then.
Okay.
You get a confirmation, so on that date you have this appointment to discuss more details about the incident with the engineer. And of course it's comfortable, so you can export it into your Outlook or Google Calendar with the .ics format.
Wow, very cool.
So we've seen that customers really are very happy about this.
The feedback,
Yeah, they can schedule this session at their convenience with the engineer of the urgent incident, right?
Okay, thanks a lot, Bernhard. And thank you for watching FCP Tech Live. Thank you.
Thank you.